Have you ever sat down to study for an important test, only to feel overwhelmed, unsure where to start, or worried you are studying the wrong things? It is a common feeling, like trying to navigate a new city without a map. Well, the secret to studying smarter, not just harder, lies in understanding your test objectives. Test objectives are simply the specific knowledge, skills, or abilities that an exam intends to measure, acting as your ultimate study blueprint. Think of them as the official roadmap provided by the test creators themselves. They exist because every well-designed assessment aims to evaluate a student's mastery of particular concepts. By identifying these objectives, you gain an invaluable advantage, focusing your efforts precisely on what will be tested and why it matters. So, how do you find these crucial objectives? Start by checking the official exam guide or handbook for the test you are taking. Many standardized tests, like those for professional certifications or college entrance, provide detailed outlines of content areas and learning outcomes. If you are preparing for a course exam, your syllabus is often the best place to look, as professors frequently list the learning objectives for each unit or for the entire course. Next, do not overlook past exams or practice tests. While these should be used cautiously as they might not cover every objective, they can highlight frequently tested topics and question styles. Additionally, your instructor is an excellent resource. Do not hesitate to ask them directly for clarification on what will be emphasized. Many textbook publishers and educational websites also offer study guides explicitly aligned with common test objectives, which can be very helpful. By proactively seeking out these objectives, you are not just studying, you are engaging in strategic preparation. This approach helps you avoid the trap of overstudying less important topics, which saves you valuable time and boosts your confidence. You gain the insider knowledge of exactly what is expected, allowing you to tailor your study plan with precision. Ultimately, knowing your test objectives transforms your study routine from a general review into a targeted, efficient mission. It helps you prioritize your learning, allocate your energy wisely, and ensures you are fully prepared for the specific challenges of your exam, leading to less stress and much better results.